Good morning, everyone. My name is Ajenla. Today, I want to talk about heaven, the concept of heaven. The concept of heaven and hell is a shamble. They are fake and not real. Why? Heaven is here and heaven is there. Life is a journey and life is in circle. The end of one life on earth signifies the birth of that life in another place. And you continue to move round, round, round till you are entitled back to be born on earth. The concept of heaven does not exist. Heaven is here, heaven is everywhere. We're talking about heaven. You cannot experience heaven while on earth. How would you know you are in heaven when you are dead? You will know. Life is a journey. Heaven is everywhere. It's just another version of earth somewhere.